You can see what we're working with here. It is a simple conversion from audio, basic JAWS to TOS. The whole network moves through audio. You can just plug in a different audio and the effect will have its variances. Just remove the audio. You can see here we use light tunnel here and then composited. Lighter color, overlay. We'll just go to what we were using before. You can change the colors here from here. I created a lamp to change the colors here. You can just use the basic colors as well. They look a bit bland. Want to deal with this mess here, you can get the file on my Patreon for free and try different things with it. Firstly, we converted our audio into audio spectrum, resampled it, and then converted into tops. Here you can see that. Also analyzed to create a speed as well, which is not necessary, and plugged in audio analysis from the palette. Here you can choose whatever you want near cake rhythm. Conversion into full resolution from noise by compositing noise. Here I've displaced it with noise as well. You can see if I can use RG. I've used R. You can RG as well. Check here how these values work. There's a bit of difference here. You can experiment with it. You can here displays is one. You can previously I was using the speed as a seed as well, but the result was too fast pace. HSV adjust level for some brightness, and then there's a feedback here. Feedback I've displaced with the same. Yeah, I've tried with the noise as well. You can copy this noise and 0.1 level, and then in composite eye vendor you can try different things there. RGB key, I've added lookup here. I was not able to see much here. Here I use a mirror. The mirror is what gives this whole thing a shape, a balance, you can say. If I add the colors back, you can see how this changes. Animate it as well. 21. I've used tile to make 3 versions of the mirror. That switch comes from the audio, the snare I've connected. I've used tile here. You can create different versions, like mess with the parameters as you like. You can also create more than 3 versions, 4, 5, 6 versions. You can also mess with different tiles so that the version that is planned can have some more impact. The colors I did not like very much, so I used mono. But you can do it with this as well if you want. Here I use level and then tunnel and composited. Although the effect of tunnel is lost by how I composited it. The sharpen from palette gives us these lines. If I remove it from the whole thing, you can see find a balance between it. I went all the way. So here lastly you can change colors a bit as you like.